Hello, Vibes community and car enthusiasts. If you've been eagerly awaiting the next big thing in SUVs, the wait is nearly over. The legendary Toyota Fortuner is back, and it's better than ever, ready to make a grand entrance into the automotive market with a new, more commanding appearance and impressive hybrid performance. Let's take a closer look at what the 2025 Toyota Fortuner has to offer. The 2025 Fortuner has undergone a significant transformation, making it more stylish and aggressive than its predecessors. The exterior now features bold lines that stretch seamlessly from the front to the rear, giving the vehicle a more dynamic and modern look. The larger front grille adds to its robust appearance, signaling strength and reliability on the road. Both the front and rear lights have been upgraded with cutting-edge LED technology, not only improving visibility, but also enhancing the Fortuner's sporty and sophisticated aura. This SUV is designed to be as visually impressive as it is functional, ensuring that it stands out wherever it goes. Perhaps the most exciting development in the 2025 Fortuner is its adoption of hybrid technology. Toyota has expertly combined a powerful petrol engine with an efficient electric motor, resulting in a vehicle that offers both increased power and better fuel efficiency. This hybrid setup not only reduces emissions, but also delivers a smoother, more responsive driving experience. The Fortuner 2025 is built to handle everything from daily urban commutes to challenging off-road adventures, thanks to its responsive acceleration and substantial torque. It's clear that this model is designed with versatility in mind, providing the best of both worlds, power and efficiency. As for when you can get your hands on the 2025 Fortuner, speculation suggests it will be officially released sometime in 2025. While we await confirmation from Toyota, excitement is already building among SUV enthusiasts. The new Fortuner is expected to meet, if not exceed, the high expectations set by its previous models, making it one of the most anticipated SUV launches in recent years. In summary, the 2025 Toyota Fortuner is shaping up to be a game-changer in the SUV market. With its striking new design, advanced hybrid technology, and versatile performance capabilities, it's poised to become a favorite among drivers who demand both style and substance. So what do you think of the upcoming Fortuner? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the AutoMotoVibes channel for more updates on the latest automotive news and reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting developments in the world of cars. Thank you for being part of our community.